Oh, hi everybody, and welcome back. And just sort of a little bit of watering going on here, really. Don't want to get them too wet because they'll rot. So it's just the odd few here and there. And as you can see, we've got the sweet corns up. Look at that, eh? Would you believe it? Could be a little bit early. And we've got some chosettes growing here. I might have showed you them before, but they're really romping away now. And there's some more chosettes there. So orange ones and lemon colour ones. And over here, well, they're just rushing away there. Just put my water thing down. Shallots, look at them from seed. Some more shallots from seeds. Leeks are just starting to show. Just one or two, not too many. A couple there and a couple there. So the rest will be up shortly. Yeah, look at them little beauties there, eh? Turks turbines, first row. Then we got our courgettes. Tristram, patty pans, and all sorts. I've been putting them out during the day actually to stop them leaning towards the window. As if you look at some of these ones here, I haven't actually done that. It's broccoli, that is there. See how they're leaning towards the window a bit? Window's over there. Brussels sprouts are up. Cabbages just up. Yeah, that's good. Broccoli, cauliflowers, kale's up. Here we go. Lots of kale there. Kale, sort of a cross between a Brussels and a kale plant, really. Funny little things. Not bad tasting though. Now sweet pea, look at that, just about to burst above the surface there. There's actually coming up there, sweet peas, and just starting over on that one there, so that's quite good. Red scented. Okay, got some more sweet peas there, but nothing coming out of them ones as yet. Got some more ordinary peas going. These are Felton Firsts. You know, I put them in these little coir pots so there's no disturbance when we plant them. There's a couple of pots of them. There's some more over there. These are Felton Firsts again. It's good. And obviously we've got our runner beans in these grow tubes. So these are quite good little things, really. Once again, you know, we're looking at not a lot of root disturbance when we plant them because it will grow out the bottom. And these are Stenna, so they're sort of a show variety. Not that we show them, but they are a show variety. And we've got our tomatoes are coming on. Gardener's Delight. Nice healthy plants. It's actually really time to pot them on, I suppose. No, the roots aren't coming out the bottom yet, so that's okay. That's good. Now remember our cut and come again salad we sown? Well, I've had to bring it in. I did leave it out during the day, so it was getting lots of light, but then the pigeons decided to have free food, and they sort of like decimated it a bit. But we'll give it a couple of days for it to recover, and we should be able to put it out again. We've got some cucumbers growing here. Telegraph, I think this one is. And obviously we've got some more dahlia cuttings. We've taken quite a few more cuttings from the same plant. These are the original ones you saw we took. I mean, they're sort of still growing strong, and we're still getting more shoots coming off of it to take some more cuttings later on, which is really quite good, really. We're going to be planting giant pumpkin at some point. This is Wallace's Whopper. Now you only get 4 seeds in this packet, so I'm going to sow that April. We're into April now, so they'll be going in. Supposed to make massive size fruits then. That's the sweet corn we planted. Another sweet corn over there. And the old onions, I'll just show you how they're getting on outside. Now these are left outside all the time now. These are the shallots. Quite a nice little sturdy plants there. And the little silver tin onions, or white onions they are. Now they're doing really well, they are. I mean, look at the height of them. Nice plants. Should have a real good root system when we plant it out. There's some other onion sets we planted there beforehand. They're doing okay. Now our leeks in the cold frame out here, they're looking pretty good. Onions aren't doing too bad. Still haven't moved a great deal with the giant Kelsey onions, but I suppose they're getting there. And the garlic, as you can see, it's just romping away. Nice little sturdy plants. All that roots out the bottom there, that is. I wonder if they're all like that. Oh, and a slug. Yeah. So I think we need a bit of treatment on there. Let's have a look at another one. Okay. Good. Well, we need to get on and do a little bit of a slug control in that bed there. And we'll get on and do that in a minute. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Just a quick update. Sort of early April now. I think it's the 4th or the 5th maybe. And it's a lovely day for a change. See you later.